Umarangkada na ang Manila Open ng 2025 Asia Pacific Paddle Tour o APPT na isinasagawa sa Play Paddle Club Philippines sa Mandaluyong City. Yan ang ulat ni teammate Darrell Oclares.
Para mas lalo pang makilala ang racket sport na paddle sa bansa, Pilipinas ang nagsisilbing punong abala ngayon para sa Manila Open ng 2025 Asia Pacific Paddle Tour o APPT. Napadpad ang prestiyosong paddle tournament sa bansa dahil na rin sa naging inisyatibo ng Paddle Pilipinas na kasalukuyang pinamumunuan ng kanilang Pangulo at paddle athlete rin na si Senador Pia Cayetano. Sa naging panayam ng PTV Sports kay Paddle Pilipinas Executive Director Attorney Jacqueline Gan, hindi na umano nila sinayang ang pagkakataon na dito ganapin sa bansa ang APPT.
The Philippines is almost always the biggest delegation in the APPT. We offered to host the APPT Manila Open for the third stop of the APPT for the start of the year. So they immediately agreed to it, and actually they already proposed it to us when we won the Asia Pacific Paddle Cup as first runner-up last year.
Sa isinagawang press conference para sa naturang torneo nito lamang Huwebes, ikinatuwa naman ni na APPT President Carlos Carrillo at Director David Maxwell ang naging maayos na pag-organisa ng Paddle Pilipinas, pati na rin ang mainit na suporta ng Filipino paddle community.
I have super good or high expectations with the Philippines because I see it's a super sportive country. So if we get to encourage the community to understand what this sport implies, it's going to be a big and important sport that actually is going to be soon in the Olympics, so we hope so. So we want to pretend or to prepare the young generations to be able to become relevant in the future.
Yeah, it looks like a great venue. Everything's ready nice and early, which is awesome. It's been a really professional organization from Juancho, Ryan and the team here. I think the courts look great. The players that I've spoken to so far seem happy with how they are playing. So everything is ready for a successful event.
Sa kasalukuyan, lumalaban sa Play Paddle Club Philippines sa Mandaluyong City ang mga amateur at professional paddlers na mula sa 20 bansa kabilang na ang ating national team. Inaasahan naman na mangunguna para sa Paddle Pilipinas si APPT ranked number 2 player na si Joanna Tauyitan. Magugunitang nagwagisitan ng silver medal sa pro female category kasama si Mariam Yasmin Gersin sa leg 2 ng APPT na ginanap sa Bangkok, Thailand kamakailan. Ayon naman kay Tan, pansin na rin niya ang dahan-dahan na pag-usbong ng paddle sa bansa at hindi rin may pagkakaila ang husay ng mga Pilipino pagdating sa sport na ito.
For now, it's becoming popular now because a lot of Filipinos really wants to try what is paddle. Parang ganun. Yeah, paddle is a growing sports here. And I think everyone should try.
Bukod naman kay Tan, inilahad ni Paddle Pilipinas head coach Brian Joshua Casaw ang iba pang mga Pinoy paddlers na dapat abangan sa 3 araw na paddle tournament.
Abangan natin yung ating mga players from our national team, no? Nandyan sila L.A. Canizares, nandyan sila Joseph Serra, nandyan sila Tao Yitan. Okay, so sila isa lamang sila sa mga top players na coming from the Philippines. And we're looking forward for more Filipino players, especially in the amateur. Because first time namin mag-host nga, gaya nung sinabi natin, first time namin mag-host ng international tour. So it's a really great experience for our community players as well to experience Asia Pacific Paddle Tour in this club.
Matapos ang Manila Open sa linggo, tutungo naman ng APPT sa Batangas para sa ika-4 na leg na gaganapin mula February 28 hanggang March 2. Darrell Oclares para sa Atletang Pilipino para sa Bagong Pilipinas.